Raising dairy goats can be a truly rewarding experience for small-scale farms and homesteads. It offers a unique opportunity to connect with your land and provide fresh, wholesome milk for your family or community. This journey is deeply fulfilling, fostering a sense of self-sufficiency and connection to nature. The success of your dairy goat operation, however, hinges on consistent and knowledgeable daily care. Understanding the needs of your herd and implementing sound management practices are paramount. This guide will walk you through the essential daily routines to ensure a healthy, productive, and happy herd. Begin each day with a thorough and calm assessment of your entire herd. Take time to observe each goat individually, noting their general demeanor and activity levels. This initial observation is crucial for early detection of any potential issues. Look for any signs of illness such as lethargy, coughing, or changes in appetite. Pay attention to their posture, how they move, and whether they are interacting normally with the rest of the herd. A keen eye can spot subtle changes that indicate a problem. Carefully check each goat for any visible injuries, like limping, cuts, or swelling. Note any unusual behavior, such as a goat isolating itself or showing signs of discomfort. Early detection of these issues is vital for preventing disease spread within your herd. Prompt identification and intervention also ensure the best possible animal welfare. Addressing problems quickly can prevent minor issues from escalating into serious health concerns. Your consistent attention is their best defense. Providing fresh, clean water is perhaps the most critical daily task for your dairy goats. Water should be available at all times, ideally in multiple locations, to encourage constant hydration. Ensure water troughs are cleaned regularly to prevent bacterial buildup. Offer a balanced combination of high-quality hay, such as alfalfa or good grass hay, as the foundation of their diet. Hay provides essential fiber for healthy rumen function and overall digestive well-being. Supplement this with a grain mix specifically formulated for dairy goats. Adjust the grain mix based on each goat's stage of lactation, as their nutritional needs change significantly. High-producing does require more energy and protein than those in their dry period. Individual needs such as age, body condition, and production level should also guide your feeding adjustments. Ensure adequate mineral supplementation is always available free choice. This includes a good quality loose mineral mix designed for goats, which is often preferred over blocks. Always provide a plain salt block alongside the mineral mix to meet their sodium requirements. Milking is a critical daily task that demands meticulous attention to hygiene and detail. A clean milking environment and equipment are essential for producing high-quality milk and maintaining udder health. Consistency in your routine will also help your goats relax. Thoroughly clean and sanitize all milking equipment before each use. This includes your milking machine if you use one, as well as milk buckets, strainers, and any collection containers. Proper sanitation prevents bacterial contamination of the milk. Prepare the goat for milking by gently cleaning her udder with warm water and a mild udder wash. This process helps to remove dirt and stimulates milk letdown, making milking more efficient. Always use a clean, single-use towel to dry the udder completely. Drying the udder is crucial to prevent water droplets from contaminating the milk and to reduce the risk of mastitis. After cleaning, strip a few squirts of milk from each teat into a strip cup to check for abnormalities. This also helps clear the teat canal. Milk the goat completely, ensuring all milk is extracted from the udder. Incomplete milking can lead to reduced production and increase the risk of udder infections. Be gentle but firm, establishing a consistent rhythm. After milking, dip each teat in a commercial teat dip solution. This creates a protective barrier over the teat opening, which remains open for a short time after milking. Teat dipping is a vital step in preventing mastitis and maintaining udder health. Regularly clean your goat's housing area to maintain a healthy environment. Remove manure and soil bedding daily or as needed to prevent the buildup of ammonia and pathogens. Fresh, dry bedding is key to preventing respiratory issues and food problems. Provide adequate ventilation within the housing structure to ensure fresh air circulation. Good airflow helps prevent respiratory problems and reduces humidity, which can contribute to disease. Ensure the housing is protected from the elements, offering shelter from rain, wind, and extreme temperatures. During hot weather, ensure your goats have access to ample shade to prevent heat stress. This could be natural shade from trees or constructed shade structures. A comfortable environment contributes significantly to their overall well-being and productivity. Regularly trim your goats' hooves to prevent overgrowth and lameness. Overgrown hooves can lead to pain, infections, and structural problems, impacting their mobility and ability to graze. Establish a routine trimming schedule, typically every 6 to 8 weeks, depending on growth rate. Implement preventative health measures as a cornerstone of your daily care routine. Prevention is always more effective and less costly than treating illness. A proactive approach keeps your herd robust and productive. Regularly deworm your goats according to a veterinarian-approved schedule based on fecal testing. Avoid routine deworming without testing, as this can lead to drug resistance. Work with your vet to develop a targeted parasite control plan. Vaccinate your goats against common diseases prevalent in your area, such as tetanus and clostridial diseases. A consistent vaccination program protects your herd from serious and often fatal illnesses. Keep accurate records of all vaccinations administered. Work closely with a veterinarian to develop a tailored health plan specific to your farm's needs and local conditions. Their expertise is invaluable for disease prevention, diagnosis, and treatment. Building a good relationship with your vet is a wise investment. Maintaining accurate record keeping is an indispensable part of successful dairy goat management. Detailed records allow you to track individual and herd performance, identify trends, and make informed management decisions. This data is your farm's memory. Track milk production for each goat to monitor their productivity and identify any changes. This helps you assess their nutritional needs and overall health. Consistent milk records are also valuable for breeding decisions. Monitor and record any health issues that arise, including symptoms, diagnoses, and treatments. This creates a health history for each animal, which is crucial for future care and veterinary consultations. Good records help you learn from past experiences. Record each goat's milk yield daily or at each milking. This data is essential for evaluating feed efficiency and identifying your most productive animals. It also helps you plan for milk usage and sales. Keep precise records of breeding dates for each doe. This allows you to accurately predict kidding dates and prepare for the arrival of new kids. Knowing breeding dates is also vital for managing gestation and dry periods. Document all vaccinations administered to each goat, including the type of vaccine, the date, and dosage. This ensures your herd is adequately protected and helps you stay on schedule for boosters. Accurate vaccination records are a sign of responsible animal husbandry. Finally, record any treatments administered, including medications, dosages, and dates. This information is critical for tracking withdrawal times for milk and meat, ensuring product safety. Comprehensive records empower you to manage your herd effectively and confidently. Adhering to these daily practices is fundamental for ensuring the health and well-being of your dairy goats. Consistent care leads to a thriving herd and high-quality milk production. Your dedication directly impacts their comfort and productivity. By following these guidelines, you will be well on your way to producing excellent milk. This commitment to daily routines fosters a strong bond with your animals and contributes to the overall success of your farm. The effort you put in truly comes back to you. Ultimately, you will enjoy the fulfilling experience of raising dairy goats, knowing you are providing them with the best possible care. This journey is about more than just milk, it's about sustainable living and connection. It is a deeply satisfying endeavor. Continuously learn and adapt your practices as you gain experience and your herd evolves. Every goat is an individual, and every farm has unique challenges. Stay curious and open to new knowledge. Adjust your care based on individual goat needs, as some animals may require more attention or different feeding. Observe their responses to your management and be flexible. This personalized approach will yield the best results. Finally, be prepared to adjust your practices based on specific farm challenges, such as weather changes or resource availability. Dairy goat farming is a dynamic process, and your ability to adapt will be key to long-term success. Embrace the journey.